The Google Chromecast Ultra brings 4K HDR streaming to your TV with ease, and unboxing it is just as simple as setting it up. Inside the box, you'll find the Chromecast Ultra device itself, a power adapter with an Ethernet port for stable connectivity, a USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. The device is small and sleek, designed to easily fit behind your TV without taking up much space. To begin setup, plug the Chromecast Ultra into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power adapter to a wall outlet. For the best streaming performance, you can optionally use the Ethernet port on the power adapter to get a more stable internet connection. Once connected, switch your TV input to the corresponding HDMI port, and you'll see a welcome screen prompting you to download the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. Open the Google Home app, tap Setup Device, and follow the instructions to connect your Chromecast Ultra to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is on the same network during setup. The app will then guide you through signing into your Google account and naming your Chromecast. Naming the device helps you identify it easily when casting content from multiple devices or rooms. After setup, you can start streaming from apps like YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and Spotify by tapping the cast icon within the app and selecting your Chromecast Ultra. You can control playback, adjust volume, and even use Google Assistant for hands-free commands. Chromecast Ultra also supports mirroring your phone, tablet, or computer screen, allowing you to display presentations, photos, or videos directly on your TV. For advanced users, the Google Home app provides additional settings, including display resolution adjustments, guest mode, and automatic updates. Guest mode allows friends or family to cast content without connecting to your Wi-Fi, while automatic updates ensure your Chromecast is always running the latest software with the newest features and security improvements. Unboxing and setting up the Chromecast Ultra is straightforward, and once it's ready, it transforms your TV into a powerful streaming hub with 4K HDR quality and seamless integration with your favorite apps. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech unboxings and setup tutorials.